Forkers.
Hi, Forker! How do you think that sounds? It sounds like you're gonna... Hey, Forkers! What are we making today?
Taco soup.
And if you want the recipe, stick around, but first what do we want you to do?
Subscribe!
Please?
Yeah,
Pretty please.
Pretty please.
Thank you. What are we making today?
Taco soup.
And not only any taco soup, it's like our family's favorite, probably recipe that everyone likes, right?
Yeah.
How often do we eat this thing?
A week, every week.
Every week, if not like twice a month, easily, right? And not only that, what's really awesome about this recipe?
It's gluten-free and vegan.
It's gluten-free and vegan, but also how fast is it?
Like, you take all these ingredients, and you put them into the pot.
And then that's basically it. So we'll get to that.
And then you eat it.
That's right.
Three steps.
But also you can customize it too. You can add whatever toppings you want on
you
top of
can
that, right?
add those tortilla chips.
Yeah, so we'll get to that in a second though. We're going to get to that in a second. So first up, let's tell everyone what goes inside this thing. We got 1 cup of chopped onions.
1 pepper.
Chopped, whatever color you want.
Yep.
2.5 cups of low sodium vegetable broth.
1 can diced tomatoes.
Half a cup of salsa.
1 tablespoon of tomato paste.
2 cups cooked of each black beans and pinto beans. 3/4 of a cup lentils.
1 cup frozen corn.
And then we got a spice blend here that I've already put together. On the website, it calls for 1/2 teaspoon each of chili powder, garlic powder, and cumin. It also calls for cayenne pepper, but I just put in a little extra chili powder. We're gonna throw that all into the Instant Pot. We're gonna cook it on manual for
15 minutes.
So simple.
Yeah, wait. What if they don't have an Instant Pot?
If you don't have an Instant Pot, that's a really good question. There are instructions on the website that tell you how to cook it not using an Instant Pot.
Yeah,
it's still possible.
Yep.
So what else can you put on top of this stuff?
Tortilla chips, cheese.
Jalapenos, avocado.
Yeah.
I like to sometimes put some mushrooms on or some nutritional yeast. And if it's not hot enough for you, throw some hot sauce on that stuff.
Yep.
So we hope you like this recipe. If you like it, what should they do?
Leave a like, subscribe.
Make comments.
Watch other videos if you want.
Watch other videos on the site. If you like this recipe and you do any modifications, let us know what they are.
I hope you guys liked it because
we love it. Thanks, Forkers.